Yep, so today we're down at the Cardiff City Stadium. We've done the team photo shoots, which went really well, obviously with the whole team here and all the staff. We've also had the Sky walk-ons, which were good as well, doing our top shots for the TVs. We also had a sign-in session, which we do on every camp, which is good for fans and supporters alike. Everyone is part of it, so that's what we've done today. Later on, obviously, we're going to get back to the hotel, the Marriott Hotel. We're going to have team dinner, which will be good. We're going to have a team meeting, and then after that, it's just rest, recuperation, and ready for training again tomorrow.